So this is how you can display a stock name automatically in Google Sheets. So there's a few different ways to do it. If we just write the ticker in one cell, then we can pick another cell and write equals Google Finance, open the brackets and click on that cell, and then put a comma, and then in quotations put name, and then close the bracket and hit enter. So this gives us the name of this stock. There's another way that we can do this as well. If we write equals Google Finance, and instead of referencing a cell, we're going to put in quotation marks that ticker, so AAPL, and then we're going to open up another set of quotations after the comma and write name. So that gives us the same result. When we compare the formulas here, this one is referencing cell A3 like that, and it's not in quotations. And with this one, we just write the actual ticker here, but we put it in quotations. So either works, but depending on what your needs are, it's probably better to do it this way by putting the ticker in its own cell. Now we can check with another stock as well. Let's write TD, and we'll do the same thing. So equals Google Finance, click on the cell, write name in quotations. Okay, and so that gives us the name. Let's also write the price while we're here. So Google Finance, select the cell for reference, and actually that's all you have to do for the price. And this is going to give us a value. Now it's not entirely clear if this is US dollars or Canadian dollars because TD is listed on multiple exchanges. So what we can do is we can check at least the currency. So Google Finance, we click on that cell and write currency, and close the quotations and brackets. So it tells us that this is in US dollars. But TD is on the New York Stock Exchange and also the Toronto Stock Exchange. So what you can do is you can specify the exchange that it's on. So NYSE TD. And we can bring this, if we select all three of these rows and drag it down, it references this cell. And then it also gives us the same price here. I don't know why it's 1 cent off, but maybe to do with this disclaimer here down at the bottom. But be careful with Google Sheets. But yeah, it indicates that it is in US dollars, and that's what we're expecting for the New York Stock Exchange. We could write for the Toronto Stock Exchange like this, and we can bring this down again. And we see that it gives us a different value here, but in Canadian dollars this time. And we wouldn't expect these to be the same, and it's actually best also to go and check Yahoo Finance or Google Finance or something, just to double check that this is the number that you are expecting, and then you'll be good to go. Now, I also recommend really not typing in the names by yourself, like make it so it's automatic, because if you had typed this in yourself, so let's just call it TD Bank for short, I don't want to type in the whole thing, and then you were going through your sheet and you accidentally put in the wrong ticker, then you're going to maybe not notice your typo. You're going to see TD Bank here, and you're going to see the price here, which is not the price for TD. This is for a different stock, and this is just going to mess up your whole sheet and make you very confused and upset. But what this one is actually for, if you do it automatically, you can see that it's actually for a company called TELUS, and this is the actual price of TELUS on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So you should be doing this automatically to reduce chance of errors, and you should also be putting in the actual exchange that these stocks are in as well to reduce errors over on the money side as well. So anyways, yeah, that's how you automatically display the name of a stock in Google Sheets, and I guess also how to display the stock price and currency. Cool guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.